tired of your music blasting through the wrong speakers? Let's fix that. First things first, make sure your Apple Music app is open on your PC. We're going to dive into your computer's sound settings, not the app itself. Now, locate the speaker icon in your system tray, usually found in the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on that speaker icon, and from the menu that appears, select Open Sound Settings. This will open your system sound settings window. Look for the Choose Your Output Device section. It's usually at the top. Click on the drop-down menu, and you'll see a list of all the available audio output devices connected to your computer. This includes your headphones, external speakers, and even your monitor if it has built-in speakers. Simply select the device you want Apple Music to play through, like your headphones or your preferred speakers. And that's it. Apple Music should now be routing its audio to the device you selected. Go back to the Apple Music app and test it out. Now you can enjoy your favorite tunes through the right output. Happy listening.